What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive on a 1966 Ford Mustang. This one here has a 289 under the hood, aluminum radiator, drum brakes, no power steering on this one. I just did a walk around pointing out any kind of flaws. That's why the top's down. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road and do a test drive today. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos every day. MapleMotors.com, that's my website. Offers financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory. Go and check that out. Share these videos, helps us out greatly. And I tell you what, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Definitely gonna check the interior out before we leave. Go ahead and place your bets. If you think the horn works, I'll be trying to get it to work. It's a little game we like to play on the channel here. Pretty good shape. We'll go ahead and start it up. Starts up pretty easy. Temperature gauge over here does work, but they don't have the oil pressure hooked up. The original one looks like it's working. If I hold the gas for a second, it'll start creeping up. Tack works, got a good sounding exhaust. Gas gauge came up, showing 24,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind that. The year of the car. Blower motor I couldn't get to work. Radio's jamming. Windshield wipers, they work. Power top, it works. Check that out in the walk around video of this car. Horn, I'm not getting anything. I'm trying, guys, it ain't working. All right, let's just take off down the road. I'm gonna pick out any of the flaws running and driving. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. If you're new to the channel, we do test drives. Point out any kind of flaws that I can find. So anything that I see, I will let you know about. We're gonna check everything on this car, at least. All right. Speedometer's coming up. And we're going straight as an arrow down the road. Steering's tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Engine temp's up. Got a great sound to it. I don't think it was shifting down. Sounds good. Feels good. The brakes are stopping pretty fast. It's all drum brakes. So far so good on this one. When I hit the brakes, they pull to the right a little bit. They're stopping fast. The old drum brakes, they get dust built up inside them. You got to drive them for a little bit, get them all cleaned up again. They self-clean themselves is what I'm saying. Turn signals are popping up on the dash and blinking. Definitely got a cam in her. It's trying to sprinkle on me. Hopefully we can get through this video without having to put the top back up. But it may end up that way. Get some outside shots, let you see what it looks like when I drive over the camera, past it real fast, and see if we can make something cool here. If you're new to the channel, you can see all of my stuff below in the description. You can look it up, see whatever I use, and I got Amazon links to all that stuff too. All right, guys, let's get these shots. All right, engine tip is at about 180. We're good to go here. Been circling this parking lot for a little while, getting these shots on the outside. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. So far so good on the rain. Hopefully you just talk about it all day and it never happens. Oh, it's starting to spray, just barely. Good deal. Think we're gonna have to do it, guys. We're gonna have to put the top up. All right, we got pulled over here and got the top back up. Had to run around and roll all the windows up too. It's all right though. There we go. Got her back in, got her back sealed up. Roll the window up here. I talked too much and ended up starting to rain on us. Try out the windshield wipers. I hate driving these cars in the rain. That's why I usually don't do these test drives when there's a chance, but I've got 18 cars to do. I'm gonna have to do about 6 to 8 a day. All right, we've made it back to the lot now. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm posting videos like this every day. I'm trying to, at least. This'll stop. We'll push through it. We'll make it happen. Thanks for riding. All right, guys, go to maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. You can see all of our inventory. We just updated today. Today's Monday. So definitely check all that out. You can look up any of our cars that are available in our inventory here on YouTube just by putting in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. All right, guys, I got plenty to do. I'm about to jump back in another car and get her done. Let's go.